name's Dr. Tony DiNicola. I've been practicing here in Spartanburg for about 8 years. I did my undergrad training at Virginia Tech and did medical school at West Virginia University. I did my residency training in physical medicine and rehabilitation at Medical College of Virginia in Richmond, Virginia, and my fellowship in pain management in Richmond, Virginia. I'm one of the pain management physicians here in Spartanburg and also board certified in physical medicine and rehabilitation and pain management. Chronic pain is a very common debilitating problem, and a lot of patients that are suffering pain for over 6 months end up having issues that affect their quality of life, and it's really something that we try here to focus on the individual and focus on the patient and try to get to know patients and understand what their painful condition is, but also understand what they're trying to do on a daily basis so we can enhance their quality of life. Pain management is really a multidisciplinary type of practice. It does not involve just one single thing. It involves a combination of exercise, medications, procedures that can provide relief for periods of time. But the biggest thing really is just getting to know folks and trying to use that combination of treatments to help them.